Travel update. I've gone from here to here.
Some milk. About milk.
So good to be back in France. Look at this lovely bike lane. I can talk to you on the road pretty safely. Great warm shower today. Many thanks to Patrice for hosting me so beautifully. Oh my god, France is amazing. French meals, French company, French language, French accent. Great to be back. I'm not going to get far today. It's already 10 a.m. It's still quite cold when you're not in the sun. So hopefully I'll get about 50 kilometers. I think there's some cool bunkers or things I can camp in near the coast if I get 50 k's. So that is the objective today. You know what, it's cold enough that I could have a rosé. Very unfashionable in England, but a whole aisle in French supermarkets. Grocery price update, a baguette, bottle of wine, creme de marron, fondu, pie and biscuits is 12 euros or 20% of my weekly budget. Not bad at all. Dedicated cycle lane, very nice. Down to just one layer. It's a lovely spring day. Fresh. Can't see much that way, but it's a beautiful, beautiful coast. It's March. I've got the good winds from the northeast. Merci. Bonjour. Bonjour. there'll be loads of cool bunkers like this one, but they're fenced off. Very limited tracks available. This is where I'm going to put my tent. I've been very mean by blocking it up. Great view of sunset, but there's lots of people around. This is my spot then, and it's an absolute beauty. There's a few runners around because it is gorgeous, but after sunset I'm sure it's going to quieten down. Yes. We love France. It's the perfect temperature. Heaven.